The Kinesis Advantage2 is a truly unique keyboard, and today we're diving into whether it lives up to the hype. This keyboard is all about ergonomics, designed to promote comfort and productivity during long typing sessions. The first thing you'll notice is the contoured, split keywell design. It takes some getting used to, but this shape, combined with the 20-degree tinting and integrated palm supports, encourages a more natural wrist and hand position. The concave keywells also help reduce finger travel. Kinesis claims this design can increase comfort and productivity, and after spending time with it, I can see why. This particular model features Cherry MX Brown switches. These offer a tactile bump and a satisfying typing experience without being too loud. They're also rated for 50 million keystrokes, so durability shouldn't be a concern. Beyond the physical layout, the Advantage2 boasts impressive programmability. You can create custom layouts, record macros on the fly, and remap keys with ease, all without needing special drivers. It even has onboard memory to store your settings. This is a huge plus for anyone who frequently switches between different computers or operating systems. The Kinesis Advantage2 is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome, making it a versatile option for almost any setup. While it's certainly an investment, the build quality and features justify the price, especially if you prioritize ergonomics and spend hours typing each day. The 3-year warranty also provides peace of mind. Is it the ultimate ergonomic keyboard? It's definitely a strong contender. It takes some adjustment, but the potential for increased comfort and productivity makes it worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.